awakeness, it has a liveliness to it. It's alive because of the awakeness. It's alert everywhere within itself. And that lively awakeness, when it gets to a point of awakeness, a point of intensity of awakeness, then it can begin to comprehend, it can begin to perceive itself more clearly. And so this is what we do here, is the silent presence that is here now, all around you, as the silent self of everyone. It begins to deepen to itself and awaken more to itself when it hears itself. And so this is what happens here, is we talked to the silent presence directly, and the silent presence gets enlivened, it gets awakened in you, this person. Because, it's quite obvious now, even at this point, I think it's obvious that you can be aware of the person. You can be aware of your mind thinking. And when your mind thinks, it's generally critical to some degree. It compares and it judges. And so what you can do is just sit back and just watch your mind compare and judge what's going on here. And if you can do that, that means you, your real self, your attention is at the point that is just beyond the edge of the mind. And so this is where you want to be. This is where you want to listen to this from. Because it's at that point where you're awake to the reality that you're not the mind, you're not the body, you're not the intellect, you're not the feelings or the perceptions. You are awakeness itself. You are silent awakeness, silent pure consciousness. See, it's such a beautiful place to be because in that place, and as that, you are free. You're free from the mind and all the problems in the mind, all the turmoil that can be there in the mind, in the feelings, in your life situation. You can be free from that. And it's such a joy and such a relief to be out of that turmoil of the mind and just to be into your own true self, into your own real relaxed being that you are. And see, what you'll notice there is that your sense of self, it's not entangled, it's not tied up in the mind, in the body, and in the problems. And so this means it's unbounded. It's unbounded, it's unlocalized. It has no boundaries. It's infinite. It's infinite pure consciousness. infinite pure consciousness that you are in reality. It's the one being. It's the one self of all. And it's that one self that animates all these bodies. It animates all the life. It animates the world, the universe. And when it sees, as the witness, it sees the body, it sees the person perceiving the world and universe, and it's that field of pure perception underlying the objects of perception that it now recognizes itself to be. So not being bound by the body, it is underlying everything and free. And so that field there that you are is your real true being. It's the real being, the real one self of all, the one observer of all. And what it observes through the apparatus of this mind-body person. And so what this mind-body person is, in reality, it's the apparatus, the mechanism, whereby the one field of pure consciousness that you are, it's the apparatus whereby it can observe itself in the appearance of this world and universe, and you as this person. So a whole other viewpoint unfolds when you see the seer and when you are the real seer.